Hi everyone, my name is Rodrigo and you're watching Travevelzilla, and today I'm here in Beto Carrero and I'm going to share with you my experience at the newest attraction here, the newest ride called Rebulíço. I'm going to tell you all about the attraction, a little bit about the history behind it, the statistics, so on and so forth. But before we go anywhere, don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share, and subscribe, and also to follow me on Instagram at Rodrigo Morato with 2 T's. So are you ready for it? Let's go. Welcome to Beto Carrero and welcome to Rebulíço. Hey everyone, my name is Rodrigo and you're watching Travevelzilla, and today I'm back in one of the world's top 20 best amusement parks, Beto Carrero World in Santa Catarina, Brazil. It seems like yesterday, but it was 30 years ago when the legendary Beto Carrero founded a theme park carrying his name. To celebrate 30 years of Beto Carrero World, it was just inaugurated the phase 1 of the park's new themed area, Cowboyland, and within it, the first air race ride in South America, a ride called Rebulíço. There are 2 types of air race, the super air race, which rises in height as it spins, and the regular air race. This is the regular one, just to be clear. The Rebellisso air race is made up of 8 carts carrying 4 people at a time each, totaling 32 people at once. The carts can go up to 7.6 meters or 25 feet in height as they spin. And boy, once this ride gets started, you're going to spin and spin and spin like there's no tomorrow. I simply love this new ride, and it was such a nice surprise, made in Italy by Italian maker Zamperla. This new themed area, Cowboyland, has really caught my attention, for it has been flawlessly built, and the theme has everything to do with Beto Carrero, who was a cowboy and circus personality himself, a character interpreted by Arab-Brazilian showman João Murad. Shocking! Shocking! Shocked by this ride. Love it! Can't wait! The Rebulíço air race carries from 600 to 700 people an hour on average. In my opinion, it's one of the park's coolest rides. Let's keep on going now, right? You better work, Beto Carrero. Nice one. As you know, we talked a lot about the ride itself, but now it's finally our turn to go. This is a compilation of the 5 times we tried it. I had an awesome time, you guys. Let's go now. In the beginning, it starts pretty slow, but as it moves along, it starts spinning and turning and spinning, and it doesn't stop. Woohoo! It's amazing! So one thing I like to emphasize here is that this ride is the first of its kind in South America. The Italian maker Zamperla took about 1 year to manufacture it and starting building this ride, and another 100 days to ensemble the ride, the themed area, and test it. If you wish to go on this air race several times like I did, you should consider buying a fast pass. It costs 99 reais, 17.8 euros or 19.4 US dollars extra per person. It's totally worth it for you to avoid a lot of lines. Keep in mind that this is South America's top amusement park and one of the world's top 20 most important theme parks. After you go on this ride, you'll be able to buy not only the picture of you riding it, but also the footage if you want to. It costs only 40 reais per footage, or 7.2 euros, 7.8 US dollars. If you wish to buy it, you'll be getting a piece of paper with a code, and you'll be able to download it online later that day. For more information about the park's prices and fast track, please access their website, link in description. Cowboyland Beto Carrero's new themed area has restaurants, kiosks, cafes, and more. Let's go for a walk now, shall we? Let's go. Aside from this new area, of course we went back to some of the park's main attractions. Please watch my super vlog about the park and also the smaller videos where I show you specific rides such as the Fire Whip and Star Mountain roller coasters, as well as the Hot Wheel Epic Show, which in my opinion is one of the world's top 5 best shows in amusement parks anywhere. It's all here on Travevelzilla. Guys, we finally come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share, and subscribe, and also to follow me on Instagram at Rodrigo Morato with 2 T's, link in description. And also please watch my other videos. Have a nice one. Thanks guys. Bye bye.